Oh, you kind of smell like a bark.
Next, if you bend over any longer, I'm gonna tap that. Oh,
my pants are ripped. Oh yeah. Oh god.
I'm ready.
Dude, you got red pants too.
Oh yeah. I wasn't expecting that. Oh god.
18 plus comments.
Welcome back to the channel, you guys, and welcome back to part 2 of the Indiana mini-series where we traveled to Hobart, whatever the fucking Hobbit, Indiana, to go play some Airsoft at Blast Camp, Airsoft and Paintball, and it was a lot of fun. So part 2 here is going to have a little bit more gameplay, including a really dope Fortress mode that we played, so let's get right into it.
Gentlemen, are you people ready to shoot people?
Yeah! Fuck them up! Okay, are we gonna raid Taco Bell?
No. Watching is cool, but like... All my no bands, start walking to that 2-story down there.
So this game mode is really easy. We are the defenders, the enemy team are the attackers. Us as the defenders only have 1 life, and we have to stay inside or around this building to defend it, while the attackers have to push us, and they have unlimited lives. So it basically goes until either all of us are dead, or, I'm not sure about this, but there might have been a time limit as well. I wasn't too sure about that. We just played until everybody was dead, and then we switched sides.
Yeah, that's the same band. Except that one. Hello.
Wow. What's the password?
Cock and ball torture. High school hit.
If it's not the camera. Nice.
You want a drink?
Refreshing. You're getting it on my lip.
I'm sorry. You want to try together?
Nope, it's good. I'm good.
I'm gonna try to get a kill with this.
Do it. I have a.
You have a water bottle?
No, I have a cap gun that shoots bottle caps, and I brought it to our field and I got some kills with it. It was really cool. Hello, my friendings.
Is there another way inside?
Inside, yeah.
Is there another way out? Just inside and outside?
Yeah.
Somebody needs to watch stairs and inside.
Now in this video specifically, you're going to see why I'm a little bit upset that my run cam was not recording. Or I should say, actually, I'm upset that I'm fucking stupid and didn't record on my run cam. But from upstairs, you can just see outside barely with my camera at some angles. Some of it's just super washed out because of the lighting, so I do apologize for that. But it's not ultimately terrible.
Watch behind us. Watch.
Left side, left side!
Come on! I'll wake you when I can, you fat monkey. Jesus Christ.
Fucking Christ, that gun's loud. Now she's reaching out there. Right side, white shirt. I see shots coming, but I don't see from who. Oh, I see him. I see him. Okay. Eventually. Sorry, buddy. You got right in front of my shot there. Sorry, dude. Got one there. There's a couple guys out here in the forest, in the trees.
I'm a crawl. Hey, shout your monkey.
What?
You can shout your monkey. Also, I like your gun.
Thank you. I spray painted it.
I like your gun.
Woo! Where the hell is that at?
They're shooting us like monkeys. It's Clinton of the apes.
Are they in the building?
It's Clinton of the fucking apes. The monkeys are coming for us.
Dude, I'm too tall for this shit.
Let's come on.
We got multiple right side in the trees. Heard.
Smoke. Fuck. Fuck, I'm playing on the apes. Learn how to use the They use learn how to use grenades. What's next? Fucking AK-44.
Oh, yeah.
Are they in the building?
Shut the smoke.
You can't throw it in the buildings.
Come on, let's go down the building. If I didn't come in the building like last time. What are we gonna do?
There's one in a building right in front of me. On the, what is that? Our right side.
Yeah, one's coming from over there in that corner. I got this control.
He's down. Got one, one's down. Why is my shit not recording?
I'm running your direction.
Okay.
Oh shit!
Oh, fuck! I don't know. But there was a grenade landed in here, so they might be coming up the stairs on the side. Guys pushing from the right. Oh shit, that was ricocheting. Whew. Hit!
I'm good. That was mine hard.
Dead man, I'm coming down. So now that I'm dead, I'm going to go join my teammates on the other side of the road, and we're going to move on to the next round where we are attacking. Okay. Yeah. I'll go left?
Let's go left.
Well, I think right has more cover for us.
Yeah, but if we can go to the left side here.
Let's go. There's one behind the yellow van. Yeah. They're shooting at me. Oh shit. He's peeking behind the behind the van. Hit! Oh my god. This field is not friendly for tall people. Hello, Kevin. What's going on over here? Fogging?
Yeah.
What's up, bud? Do you want to push that cover right there? Oh, never mind. I go, Spencer. So, where are they at? Do you see them?
Far left window.
Far left window? Gotcha.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Do you want to push up to the cover? I'll cover you?
Yeah.
Right behind you.
Push further and get around back.
Yeah.
If we can.
I got 2 grenades. We can throw one up in there.
They just switch one out. Careful pushing.
Yeah. Pushing. What's up?
I can't see.
We got one guy, friendly, bottom floor. We got friendly bottom floor.
I got one top corner.
Hey. Damn it. That was just me. I'm gonna try to get up in front of the patio and just lob a nade right through that window.
Yep.
That was a perfect throw. That was a perfect throw. Holy shit. Did I get you with that nade?
No.
Oh. You banned? So for this game, I was using my QRF, which I have 80 round mid caps for. I only brought 3 magazines out with me, and I ran out of ammo pretty easily in these 2 games. So I was out of ammo and could not play the next round. However, I decided to sit off to the side and record, kind of like how I did at Lag.
I dropped your stick. I've gotten more kills in semis than I have with the 6 mags I just used. I know.
It's not about kills, it's about intimidation.
Oh, yeah.
not gonna just go like that.
Oh.
No, we've loaded like 2,000-pound safes with like 8 people.
So I would drain that across the top game. I had a I about fell over.
Oh no.
Like,
Oh no. Fast as fuck, boy. Airsoft, that's good.
Good shit, dude. Alright, you guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Leave a like, comment what you think below. We are planning to go to Paintball Explosion on the 7th of May, which is about a week and a half of this recording. I have one more part that I'm going to upload after this for the Indiana road trip. And then after that, I'm going to see if I can maybe get some more VR content posted, maybe a little bit more into the Purgatory series. I haven't done that in quite some time. However, I will update you guys if anything comes up with Paintball Explosion, and hopefully I'll be having some videos on that coming out here in about 2 weeks, so stay tuned. We'll see you later.
I know. I did it. My ears are ringing.
Yeah, I just raw dogged it.